Ahoy, and welcome back to my channel. I was trying something new with the ahoy. I don't think I really like it though, so we're gonna keep it back to the hi guys because ahoy feels off. We're not on the seas. Anyway, today is gonna be a little productive vlog. I'm off today. I just got out of the shower washing my hair because it's Wednesday and that's my hair wash day. And I want to clean my room. Like, it's not even, okay, it's not messy, it's just not organized because ever since I got back from Italy, I haven't been home. Like, I've been spending probably around 75 to 80% of my time elsewhere. At work, with friends, at my boyfriend's. So my room is kind of just become like an in-between land. Like, where I come and change out what I'm wearing and sometimes sleep. But not that even, like probably like 2 to 3 nights a week I'm sleeping here. So because of that, it's just become very much like not organized. And like things are just kind of thrown about and it's bothering me. And there's some dust on things. And I just basically want to clean it and get the aura of my room back to its normal stature. In other news though, I also need to film a collab with a skincare brand, and I have to do like TikTok, a reel, and a stint in the YouTube videos. I need to shoot that today. And I also need to edit the last Italy vlog, Positano's vlog, and then I also have like a little nighttime routine video I need to edit as well. But we're mostly focusing on the vlog today. But anyway, let's get into it. The problem is I don't really know where to begin. And I also feel like I'd be doing this a lot and I don't keep up with it. And then the problem, like, I just have to keep redoing the same cycle, which is kind of frustrating. But like, I don't know. Like, I feel like I should start with like the bins and organizing my clothes, because that's what's causing the most of the overstimulation for me, is the bins. So let's do that first, actually. If I find you in the dark, but you only want to show me the brightest parts of your personality, how am I supposed to know you truly and deeply? Where will my feelings go if you never even meet me halfway? Okay, I just finished my like workout drawer, like bin. I like the way I did it a lot better, and I feel like this way will keep things more tidy. I have my 2 pairs of like workout sweatpants on the side in rolls. I have, you can't really tell, but they're in rolls. I have my miscellaneous pieces, which are like kind of like shorts that don't have a matching top and tops that don't have a matching short. And then I also have a stack of like all my yoga pants and shorts that are like a little nicer. Not that that sounds wrong, but like I have like basically all the bras are on top of like my running shorts, which I'm not about to wear because it's about to be winter. I don't really go for runs and it's about to be winter, so even if I went for a walk, I would be wearing leggings. So then I have all my leggings next to it, and then I organized another pile of matching sets. So if I'm literally like just in a hurry, I just want to grab something, I can just like grab the top or like find 2 pieces and they're next to each other that match, and that makes it a lot easier. So that one bin is done. What I feel like I need though is an accessory bin, like that has my tights in it, like my leg warmers, because I just got a pair of leg warmers. But then I don't have enough bins. One of the biggest problems is I don't have enough space for the ridiculous amount of clothes I have. And I keep buying more. But I also don't want to get rid of anything because most of the stuff like I deeply like and I wear consistently. And if I don't wear it consistently, I still really like it, and it's just more like reserved for a special occasion, or it's not something I'm picking as often, but like I do really like it still. But let's go into tops. These are tops I can't or don't hang up. I feel like this is gonna take a while. I feel like I need to dump it out and start from the top, to be completely honest. Wow, okay. Ooh, this would be cute for tomorrow. Okay, I'm gonna wear this tomorrow. But what pants? Because I want to wear like my coat. And I don't love how this color looks with jean. We'll figure it out, but I think I'm gonna wear that tomorrow. I'm going to a pumpkin patch and to King's Dominion. To amusement park haunt. So this is a sweatshirt that is cute. I cut the neckline out of. But do I wear it is the question. Not frequently because I have so many sweatshirts. But like for layering pieces, I want to keep this because like if you wear like a cute tank under it, maybe more workout, I'm gonna keep it. But basically I just need to go through and decide what I'm gonna keep to start off with. I think I'm keeping everything, to be so honest. Yeah, I'm probably gonna keep everything. I just need to figure out how I'm going to organize this. But I think my food's almost ready, so I kind of am excited about that. This is a lot. This is a lot. And this is before we even get to, I have one more bin out here, and then we have to get into like shoes and like the closet itself. And then side tables. This one seems kind of fine. It's more my nightstand that needs work. I only want hearts to want my to play. Every time it ends the same way. I'm stuck between you and a hard place. Having a lunch break because I made food while I was cleaning. I kind of burned my toast though. It still tastes good. I scraped most of the char off of it. For anyone thinking that because I burned my toast I can't cook, no, I can. I just was in the other room and I forgot to come get it. Still tastes good. Because it's just the top that's burned. Well, most of it. But I'm kind of now thinking I need to redo how I have my whole setup. So this might take the rest of the day. And I need to make that skincare collab so I can send it to them and they can improve it before I post it on my due date. But yeah, I'm just gonna eat my food and then I'll get back into the nitty gritty of my room. Back to the scene of the crime. The crime being my messy room. I'm trying to figure out, because I do like what I've done with the rack out here. I'm trying to figure out what I'm going to do with my closet. I think I want to bring out my cart, move my dresses down to that end, or my jeans down to that end, something shorter. So I think I need to do that before I finish this. So let's actually do that now. I look so bad. Ah! It's getting hard always being the bigger person than you. I'm so eager to see all the new damage you will do. Cause I'm used to hollow threads with no follow through. So I stay. I had to stop filming because my phone was dying. But after like 4 hours, we're done. So yay. Everything just looks so much more in place. I'll show you what I mean. Everything just looks very neat now. Because that took so long, I don't have the energy to do my collab today, like at all. I need to recharge my soul. So I'm gonna go skateboard at sunset at fall time, which is my favorite activity all fall long. So I'm gonna go do that and then come back, and tonight before I go to bed I'm gonna edit the video because that's something else I needed to do today. And then I'm just gonna get up early tomorrow morning and film the collab as like a get ready with me for my day type thing. I just need to change my clothes so I can go skateboard. I kind of want to do like my overalls. I think it'll be cute. Okay, skateboarding fit check. Hopefully it's not cold. I didn't check the weather. That was kind of silly, bringing out the old busted blue Converse. I actually think this is the cleanest my room has been. My nightstand's still a little disorganized, like there are jewelry everywhere, but honestly, like I need the things that are on there. So, and there's no other place to put them. So like, I think that's just gonna stay. I realized I was talking without my face in the frame. But I'm gonna go skateboard. When I come back, eat some dinner, probably relax, watch some TV, and then yeah, before bed, edit the video. Set my alarm for like 8. So I feel like if I get up at 8 tomorrow and shoot the collab, that should give me enough time. I'm gonna be out by like 10:40. So I say 2 hours and 40 minutes to shoot the video, eat breakfast, and do my yoga, which is not like, that should be a perfect amount of time. Okay, but let's go. Skating time. I definitely need this. I feel like I haven't been skating as much because I haven't been home as much. And a couple falls ago, I would skate like every day for like hours. So I definitely need to get back into it because it made me so happy. Let's go.